agus am chuide den seo Peter Lynch, Bainisteoir Buaiteach, chun daon dún. Peter, put it into words. How does it feel, our Ireland champions?
No, it's amazing. It was probably one of the tightest battles we've had all year. It was just a relief to get over the line. I think the clock looked like it was slowing down there in the last 10 minutes, but look, it's a fantastic feeling, and I think, especially for these girls, I mean, they had a big disappointment last year when they got relegated from intermediate, and they had to regroup and try to come back stronger. I mean, they've worked amazingly hard from October last year. Their key objective this year was to try and get back up the grades again and make down like competitive back at intermediate, and I'm delighted for them that they've achieved that. Brilliant. Yeah.
And talk me through it. It was a cagey first half. They were very difficult to break down, and they had goal opportunities themselves, Limerick, in the first half.
Oh, they had, certainly. We expected both defences to be tight, and that's how it turned out. We had a lot of trouble breaking them down. We probably took a few pot shots in the first half that weren't really on, but we tried to tidy it up a bit at half time. And as has happened so often for us this year, we brought players off the bench who were game winners, and Orla Swale got into the game today, and the same as she did in the semi-final, she got one goal chance, she put it away.
And when you got that goal chance, they were still coming back at you and difficult to put away.
Oh yeah, I mean, when you get 3 up, you're hoping that you'll be able to add 1 or 2 more and put a bit of a cushion. But fair play to Limerick, they never gave up. They kept fighting back and kept making it very difficult for us. So at the end, the last couple of minutes, it was just about trying to tighten up as much as the back and not give away a goal.
Ínta agus cóhartas leat agus cóisiar nach do chun daon dún agus na banna beála ag ceáil ar maithúg ar maigad as
Thank you.